In this video, we're going to talk about optimizing your Facebook ad. So you found an affiliate link, you're getting some traffic now, you're running an ad. Now, what do you do? So let's say you're spending $20 a day on ads and you're making $30 back. Okay, not too bad. But what if we could spend $20 on ads and make $50 back? Well, you can't. We just have to optimize our ads. So how do we do that? Usually when we start running ads, we run them to all age ranges, all genders, all locations, and we have some interests we choose. But the main thing you need to do after you get some data is split test. So what is split testing? You hold all things constant except one variable and then run those against each other, see what does better, and then you kind of compile all the things that do well into one ad. So instead of spending $20 to make $30, you're spending $20 to make $60. So what are the different things you can split test with Facebook? You can do age range, you can do gender, location, interests. You can play with your ad and see if different images convert better, different copywriting converts better. So, but only change one factor at a time. So on this one, you can kind of see an ad was run. And let's see. We're going by, what are we going by? Video percentage?
We could go on the breakdown. This is age range, and gender right now.
All right, let's go by age. So let's see. So you can see all the different, I'm going to move my face, guys. You can see all the different age ranges, how much reach they had, cost per click. Now this is what we're looking at here. So you can see the majority was between 18 and 25 here. So each person that clicked cost us 83 cents here. Each person that clicked cost us 44 cents each here. Mm-hmm. So we would take whatever would be the lowest. So we had two results on this, 17 per click. We want to get rid of that right away. That's terrible. 44 cents, that's not bad. So we would take this age range. So we know, okay, 18 to 24 is our best converting. So we're going to put more money into that. Stop the other ones. And now we will go to, okay, what gender is converting better for us? So male, by a long shot, 4 times better because it's lower cost per person. Mm-hmm. So we know males, 18 to 24. Now, let's go to, is this just in the US? Okay, you have different locations here. So I have Canada, UK, and the US. So for this, we might keep Canada just to see.
Yeah.
UK, not a chance. US, definitely. So we take US, and you can break it down from states later on. And see that. So we can go region, that's where you see that. We can see even platform. So is it on Facebook? Okay, so this was just Instagram, as you guys see. Normally you'll be able to see where was it placed. Was it on a phone? Was it on a tablet? Was it on the desktop? And a lot of times you'll see mobile will convert better. So this was just mobile stories. But normally you'll be able to see a lot of times mobile just converts better. And you can choose that when making your ads, so you're only doing mobile. So you can see all the different things you can really choose from. Placement, devices, regions. And now, those are the things that are shown on this breakdown. But you can run 2 ads, same exact breakdown and everything. You make sure they're the exact same. And you play with your image, words in your copy and whatnot. And you just optimize it further and further down. Because when you get to the big numbers, when you're spending $1,000 a day on ads and you're making $1,200, or you're spending $1,000 a day and you're making $1,400, that's $6,000 a month different just to optimize. So you do want to keep doing this. This will help you tremendously. Now, if you do have a bad ad, this may help, but sometimes you just have to abandon the ad if it's just bad in general. Either make another one or find a new affiliate offer. But that's kind of all for optimizing. It's really simple. It's just a numbers game. Just look at the numbers. What's converting well, and like I said, you want to look at cost per result. So cost per click, and that's kind of how you narrow it down. But that's going to be all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.